Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good. So I'm looking at the oil. All right. So let's look at the previous, oil setup, and then we're going to talk about this. Hi and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So I'm looking at the oil. Oil is at running around at 73, 74 areas. Okay, just topped out at 77 area. Okay, so it's setting up for a drop all the way back to the 62 areas. We already got a correction broken down, and price is just trying to drag lower. It's not very sharp, okay, we can say that, okay, and but price action is appearing over there for drop. Okay, so what you should do, just watch another correction on your lower time frame and look for this to break down. Okay, and price to break, clear that trend, the trend which we are having. All right, so clear that trend from there sharply. Okay, and keep correcting and keep dragging lower all the way back to this area. Okay, if it is not breaking the trend, all right, and holding the trend and pushing for another leg higher, okay, it's tradable. Okay, another leg higher like this. All right, but if price tag that top again, all right, then look for this to drop. Okay, this top or new high, so you're looking for this to drop all the way back to 62 areas. Okay, so if I'm going to look at the lower time frame, price is already trying to break down the previous broken out. All right, so the previous correction. All right, so you are looking for another correction to appear over there and price to just keep dragging lower. Okay, so before you look for this to drop, keep in your mind that price still can push up for another leg higher within that channel, as I'm showing in my, structure. All right, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Bye. All right, so that was the previous video analysis. We were expecting this breakout last time, all right? This breakout to continue to keep dragging lower. Okay, all right, so we didn't see continuation, and we simply got another leg higher, as you know, I was showing that as well in the previous video analysis. So we are still within this structure, all right? So this structure is still there, we can see. Okay, price is still running within that structure, and we got the drop, okay, after having a new high, or after hitting the 80 mark, we can say that after this leg, right? So price is dropping. Again, the drop is not pretty sharp, okay, as we can, we already know that OPEC countries are still not releasing enough oil in the market, which is causing the oil prices to stay strong, right? And these higher oil prices are simply, putting more pressure on inflation, all right? Inflation can sustain or can push more higher, as we know that Fed was consistently saying that, and ECB both consistently, they are saying that inflation is transitory. If oil prices stay strong, okay, then inflation is not going to be transitory. All right, so we still can see another leg higher on oil. All right, so this is setting a far drop back to that low. All right, but this is still not so strong, okay? And what you are looking price to again break these moving averages sharply. Okay, there we can see price is staying above those moving averages. As long as price stay above those moving averages, means that another leg, okay, another leg like this previous one. Simple, there's no complications. And what you are looking price to correct over there, a deeper one for a time frame correction, and then break out sharply to the downside all the way back to that low. All right, so if this correction is not going to appear over there, all right, then another leg higher. Okay, price to tag that previous 80 mark or slightly go beyond that 80 mark. Okay, 83 or 84, within those areas. And again, either give us another correction like this previous one and push more higher, or give us a sharp sell-off. Okay, sharp sell-off, correct, and drag all the way up to $60 mark. Okay, hopefully you understand that every time when you see that the new highs come in within that channel on oil, okay, you are looking oil to drop very, very aggressively to the downside. All right, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Bye.